Hello and welcome to your GoodBarber back office. Today we're going to set up together the policies of your shop. Some regulations may require you to display these commercial policies in your shop. From your back office, you can manage your refund policy, privacy policy and terms of use. To set up those policies, let's go to the menu Settings, Checkout Process. All you need to do is fill in your policies in their corresponding field. As these policies are relatively important, we advise you to take your time in drafting them and review them in detail. Do not hesitate to contact specialists to write your business policies. Save the modifications. We strongly recommend that you make the shop policies accessible from the main pages of your app. This is why, by default, they will be displayed in the footer of your home as well as in the main navigation of your navigation menu. To display your shop policies in your home, go to the menu Content and Design, Design, Home. Modify the corresponding widget like all the other widgets of your home. You can also manage the display of your shop policies in your menu from the menu Content and Design, Design, Navigation menu. Finally, if you do not wish to keep the default display, you have the possibility to create your own policy section and thus freely control their display. Voila, you know how to set up and display your shop's policies. Start writing! See you soon for another tutorial.